Hello students, how are you? Hope you're doing amazing. On today's session, we're going to be working on actions and activities that take place in your free time. So our main question today is, what are they doing? What are they doing? So let's see. Before we start, it's very important that you can tell me, how are you today? How are you feeling? Are you happy and excited and good? Or are you sad and maybe you're not feeling so well? Maybe you have a headache or a stomach ache? Or are you angry at something? How about the weather? How about the weather? Is it cloudy where you are? Or maybe it's getting windy? Or snowy, really cold. It can get really cold when it's snowing. Or sunny. Maybe you're lucky today and it's very sunny. So how's the weather where you are? We're going to start working on different images and different activities. And I want you to tell me what they're doing. So you're going to look at different people and you're going to tell me what you think they're doing. So we're going to review. What's he doing? He is playing the guitar, right? He is playing the guitar. What are they doing? They're very happy. They're laughing a lot. They're watching a film. They're watching a film, or they're watching movies, or they're watching TV. It depends, right? What about these girls? They're also laughing. They're very, very happy. What are they doing? That's easy. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. Very easy. They are, yum yum, they're eating a sandwich in this case, right? They're eating sandwich. They could be eating biscuits or anything. This time they're eating sandwich. So I want you to tell me now, what do you do with your family at home? What activities do you prefer doing when you're free, when you're at free time? We're going to work on listening now, very important, and you're going to listen to a girl's story and what she does, what she prefers doing when she is in her free time, right? And you're going to answer some questions. So let's see. Good. Oops, I moved to forward. There you go. So here we have a boy and a girl. Her name is Lily, and she's with her family. It says, at the weekend, my family and I go on picnics. We here I am with my dad, my granny, and my brother Ryan. It's sunny, and we're in the country. We're walking up a hill. So if you want to listen to Lily, you can click down here, and you're going to be able to listen to her. Okay? So all you have to do is to click there. Right. Lily's picnic, number 2. We're at the top of a hill. It's time for the picnic. We've got sandwiches, eggs, and salad. Yummy. We've got cakes and plums too. That is drinking water. I'm talking to Granny. Ryan is eating a sandwich and an egg. He is very hungry. So look at this picture now. What's Lily doing? I've got my paintbrush and my paints. So Lily's painting, right? I can see houses, trees, and fields. That's what she's painting. Ryan is reading a comic. He's still hungry and he's eating again. He's eating more sandwiches and cake. So Ryan is eating too much. There you go. You can listen to them as well over there. Remember? So you play there and you're going to be able to listen to them. Very important. Number 4, Lily's brother. My picture is finished. She stopped painting. She finished painting. I've got a new ball. I'm playing a ball with my granny and dad. Ryan can't play. He's laying down on the rock. He isn't very happy. What's the matter? What happens to Ryan? So listen and then you'll find out. There you go. Good. Once you've listened every single picture, you're going to answer this question. So where is Lily? Look at here. We have a picture here, and you can see her. So where is she? Where is she? You have two options here. She's on a picnic. She's at the top of the hill, or she's on a farm. She's at the countryside. Which is the correct answer? So you click the correct answer. Good. Number 2, who's Lily with? Who is she with? Is she alone or is she with someone else? Look at the picture here. So you can see all of her family, right? And what they're eating. So who is she with? With her dad, brother, and granny? Or with her dad, sister, and mom? Which one is the correct one? I know you know. Good. What's Ryan's problem? What's his problem? Look at the picture here. Oh, he's very, very sad. He doesn't feel very good. And he's saying something. So what's his problem? His head hurts? Head hurts? Or his stomach hurts? What's hurting him? There you go. And finally, we have this small activity here. You're going to tick or cross. So remember, we have pencils here. So you're going to pick a pencil, any color you like. I'm going to pick blue. And you're going to tick if it's true and cross if it's incorrect. So let's see. Who's drinking milk? Mark. Let's see, Mark. Mark, are you drinking milk? Is that correct? Not really. He's washing the dishes, so cross, right? That's not correct. Number 2, who's eating an apple? Jenny. Let's see, Jenny. Jenny. Right, that's correct. There you go. Who's washing up? Elisa is washing up. Is she washing up or is she tidying up? What do you think? Good. So tick it or cross. Who's listening to music? Listening to music. Peep. Is Peep listening to music? So if you think that's correct, you tick it. If you think it's wrong, you cross. What's Amy doing? She's watching TV. Is that correct? Is Amy watching TV? Number 6, what's Sarah doing? She's talking on the phone. Is that correct? Number 7, what's Jack doing? He is tidying up. Is Jack tidying up? Really? And number 8, what's Pip doing? He's reading a book. Is he reading a book? So look at the pictures and tick or cross. And finally, you're going to draw your family and you're going to write what they're doing. So this is me and my family. In this case, this is the girl. My mom is washing up there in the back. My dad is talking on the phone. My granddad is reading. And my cousin is eating cake and drinking tea. So here, you're going to draw your family. You and your mom or your dad or your granny or grandpa or sister or brother or your cat or your dog if you have pets. And you're going to present them to me, introduce them to me. So this is my mom or this is my family. This is my sister, she is. This is my brother, he is. This is my cat, it is. And so on and so on. Good? You can follow the example. And that's it, guys. Now remember, if you can't write here, if this is too uncomfortable, pueden hacerlo acá, pueden escribirlo aquí mismo en esta plataforma, o pueden hacerlo en una hojita en sus cuadernos o imprimirla y ya. Lo voy a enviar todo, ¿ya? Great, that's it. Thank you so much. Hope you enjoyed this video and hope you enjoyed the lesson. And that's it. Bye bye. Take care.